I want to talk about this Redragon M612 gaming mouse. This is a new purchase. This is for my son. He was looking to step up his gaming setup and decided to go with this after a little bit of research. What do you get? What's in the box? You can see right there you have the USB charging cable. You have a USB dongle right there, and you can store that in the unit as well. You have some stickers that comes with it, instructions, and there is the unit itself. You can see it's got a whole bunch of different buttons, a scroll button on the side. And then here in a moment, taking a look underneath, you have the storage for the USB dongle if you're not using it, as well as a selector switch. And getting it set up was easy as a piece of cake. You just plug in the USB dongle into one of the ports, and we were set up, ready to go. It literally took less than 3 minutes. So far, my son loves it, playing a lot of Minecraft with it, and it's really stepped up his clicks per second, which I think is going to lead to him being a little bit more successful. If you're looking for a great gaming mouse, please click on the link in the description below.